Hi everyone. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can switch your normal Instagram account to a professional or creator account. So let's get started. So first thing, just go to your profile page in Instagram app and make sure that your app is updated. So after this, to the top you'll be having the three lines or a hamburger menu. Just select that and here you'll be having settings and privacy. Just click that, and in settings and privacy, if you just scroll down to the bottom, you'll be having something called as for professionals and account type and tools. So if I just click this, here I will be having an option called as switch to professional account. And in case if you aren't able to find this, what you can do is just go up. Here you will be having a search option. Just click that and just search for pro. You'll be getting the same option over there, switch to professional account. Just click that and you'll be taken to a glance of what are the new features that this professional account offers. We'll be getting some tools, learn about our followers, reach more people, get more contacts. So this is fine. Just click on continue. And here you need to search the type of content that you produce. So we have so many options from blogger, education, entrepreneur, health and beauty, editor, writer, gamer, so many things. In case if you're just a normal creator and if your option doesn't come over here, you can just click on video creator and just click on done. So it says it can take up to 30 seconds to finish the account. So just be patient till then. And now we are getting two options. One is a creator option and another one is a business option. So for example, an individual like me who does video content, we are going to be like in the creator space because we are influencers, content producers. So business are the people who run real business like online businesses, or they have like a physical store. So they are going to be coming under the business category. So I will come under the creator space. So it just depends upon what is your use case. So just click on next. Changes to your safety settings, you can just read this through and just click on OK. Just click on next. So that's it. This is the final step. I guess here you need to just fill up the necessary details. I haven't given my bio over here. So just fill this up and I think you are good to set up your professional account. So I hope you would have found this video useful. Do check the playlist of my channel. Run a lot of programming videos and AI related videos. Check them out. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.